So why is it that a decimeter cubed is equal to a litre or 1,000 centimeters cubed? Well, first of all, one centimeter cubed is the same as a milliliter. We're just going to accept that. That's just quite a convenient relationship. 1 centimeter cubed is the unit of. I mean, we generally measure liquids in milliliters or in liters, right? And we measure solid things in centimeters cubed. And we think of an object as, if it was a regular sort of 3D object, we would do the length times the width times the height. So length, length, depth, height, whatever you want. There are 3 different dimensions, okay? So the volume could be, for example, 2 centimeters times 3 centimeters times 5 centimeters. And then that would be 5 times 2 times 3, which would be 30. And the unit would be centimeters times centimeters times centimeters. Centimeters cubed. So that's a little intro to how these units are formed and why is it that we have a 3 up here and so on. So that's the centimeters cubed, and that's centimeters cubed. And it just so happens that 1 centimeter cubed is equal to 1 milliliter. That would mean that because we know 1,000 milliliters is equal to 1 liter, and so 1,000 centimeters cubed is equal to 1 liter, right? Is equal to 1 liter. So why is it that 1 decimeter is equal to 1,000 centimeters cubed? You can see why that is equal to that. Why is it 1 decimeter cubed is equal to 1,000 centimeters cubed? Well, because 1 decimeter is equal to 0.1 meter. That's what a decimeter means. A deci means 1/10 of, like a centi means 1/100th of. So 1 decimeter is 0.1 meters, which means 10 centimeters. So now if you draw a decimeter cubed, it would be 10 centimeters by 10 centimeters by 10 centimeters. And so when you draw that, just like I did just then, you end up like this, of course. 10 centimeters times 10 centimeters times 10 centimeters, 10 times 10 times 10 is 1,000. So 1 decimeter cubed is equal to 1,000 centimeters cubed, which is also equal to 1 liter. Okay. Generally speaking, you'll get your volumes in centimeters cubed or in milliliters, and you'll have to convert that into a decimeter cubed. So if 1 decimeter cubed is equal to 1,000 centimeters cubed, then of course 1 centimeters cubed is equal to 1 over 1,000 decimeter cubed, which is equal to 0.001 decimeter cubed, right? So 50, for example, 50 centimeters cubed would be equal to 0.05 if you like, decimeter cubed. Okay. So when you're doing these titration concentrations and looking at volumes and so on, looking at concentrations, you have to look at what the values the units are, and almost always the concentration will be in moles per decimeter cubed, but the volume will be in centimeters cubed. You've got to have those in the same units, and the simplest way to do that is to convert it all to decimeter cubed with the volume. Okay.